Good day, everyone. Today we'll be talking about natural fruits and its benefits. Fruits like oranges, pineapples, grapes, strawberries, watermelon, mangoes, bananas, apples, peaches, cherries, plums, pears, pawpaw, blueberries, carrots is good for our health. They are very crucial, very essential for our health. It's good to supplement these fruits in our diets. Oranges are very good for us, it's good for our health. Pineapples also, they are good. Grapes are good. And strawberries, they are good for our health. If we are not used to taking natural fruits, try taking natural fruits. Before, when I don't used to take natural fruits, I became very sluggish. Sometimes I feel body pains, dizziness and all that, because I don't take much natural fruits. But when I stopped, I noticed continuous dizziness and all that. When I take fruits, I see myself motivated, my immune system built up, and I look healthier, stronger. So natural fruits are very good for us. It's good to take natural fruits. So if you are not used to taking natural fruits, please try taking oranges, pineapples, pawpaw, watermelon, and all that. Good for you. So many of us don't take natural foods because we feel they cannot roll your stomach like I used to do. I will say if I take fruits now, I'll be hungry. At the end of the day, I prefer eating most of Nigerian foods, like all these yam, fried yam, fried plantain, all this fried. But at the end of the day, it was not helping my health. I have to stop. So that is all I'm saying here. Instead of taking things that are fried, taking too much fried things, let's try natural fruits. Fruits like oranges, pineapples, grapes, like I said, strawberries, watermelon, mangoes, all those things, carrots and vegetables, they are good for us. That is what we are saying here. If you are not eating natural foods, you are not helping yourself. It's good for your good health. It's very essential for us. Essential nutrients that we must take. Those fibers. So it helps us to fight against chronic diseases and all that. Eating natural fruits is crucial. It's important. It is good for us to maintain our good health. It fights against diseases, heart problems, and all that. Natural fruits are the best.